Hi, Alona here. Today, we'll be talking about Tentacular, a cerebral file exchange model that includes connectors for integration with various software. To put it simply, if you're working on a project and using, say, Adobe or Autodesk products, Tentacular will help connect the software you're working in, Maya, Nuke, or Blender, for example, to Cerebro. This will save you from having to monitor file names, structure, and versions, and worrying about where and how to send them. You'll work in your usual software, and Tentacular will do the rest. Let me remind you that we also have social media channels, including a Telegram channel, which you can follow to stay in touch and keep up to date on the latest updates and stories. We are currently publishing posts about our team. You'll find all the links in our brand new English channel. We look forward to seeing you. To start using Tentacular, click Tools on the top bar, select Administrator, and go to the Tentacular tab. Check the Use the built-in Tentacular for your universe checkbox. After that, the plugin will be downloaded and installed, and Cerebro will have an additional menu allowing you to install Tentacular for your software. To tell Tentacular what it needs to do, you'll have to configure it using a JSON file with the necessary parameters. Don't worry, we describe all the existing parameters in our documentation, and will explain how to configure Tentacular in a separate video. The main things that needs to be configured are the file storage with which we'll be working, protocol, the path to the files, project path, and the rule for naming files depending on the tasks, file path section. After you've described all the necessary parameters, save the file and upload it to Cerebro using the Tentacular tab. Once uploaded, it will automatically become available to all your colleagues. Now you can install Tentacular for your work software. Click Install. The plugin will then identify your software and offer to install add-ons for it. After that, the Cerebro menu will appear in your chosen software. Use it to select tasks and publish the results without leaving your workspace. Let's use the 3D graphics program Blender to show how you can use Cerebro from within your usual software. After installing Tentacular, we'll see a new Cerebro tab in the menu. Use it to open the to-do list, save the current version, or publish the result. The to-do list contains the list of tasks assigned to you. You can choose which one you want to work on right in the list. In addition, we have a project browser when you can view and select tasks from outside your list. Click on the gear icon to configure Tentacular's appearance. Let me show you how to easily select tasks and upload new versions. Select the desired task and press the Start Working button. An empty scene will be created for the new task. For clarity, we'll choose a task that has several versions. A scene has opened that has already been worked on. We'll make changes publish the new version. Click Publish in the Cerebro menu. A publishing window will open. Our version is displayed on the left, and on the right, you can write a report, change task status, or specify the number of work hours. Press the Publish button to upload the new version and your report to the task. You can check that everything is correct in the to-do list. Now right-click to go to Cerebro. Here we see the report with the attached file and the new task status. Let's go to the server to make sure that the file is where it should be and has the right name. Voila! This concludes our introduction to Tentacular. We'll look at it in more detail in the next videos. You can always find out more in our documentation or the support chat. See you soon. Bye!